Hey guys, how you doing? Jack Scalfani here. I just want to let you know if you hear any noise in the background, I got some company here that's helping me out. They're doing some repairs around the house. And so, like always, the show must go on. So we're going to be doing another Back to Basics video. And today we're going to teach you how to make basic chicken noodle soup. It's exactly what it is. Back to basics. These are things that we're going to go through all the things you should know. If you've never cooked before, you should know how to make chicken noodle soup. If you've never cooked before, you should know how to make hamburgers. You should know how to make pasta sauce. You should know how to make barbecue chicken. We have a whole slew of videos coming. It's the Back to Basics series, all right? Got some good news, an update on my profile eating plan. I want to let you know I'm down 36 pounds. That's right. 36 pounds. Everything's going good. Fighting for every pound. Figure by the end of the year I should reach my goal or close to it. Remember, the whole thing is I want to drop 100 pounds. So we'll see how that goes. But I want to thank everybody at Profile by Sanford because the plan's working. Just got to stick to the program. All right? You guys ready? Come on in close and I'll show you all the ingredients. All right, guys, let's run down the ingredients. Want to start with noodles. You can use any pasta. You can use bow tie pasta. You can use rigatoni mastioli, whatever is your fancy for. You can use egg. I'm using egg noodles today. You can use rice noodles. Any kind of noodle will work, okay? So you got noodles. You got your chicken. I'm using chicken stock. I believe chicken stock is a little more flavorful than chicken broth. I think, and I may be wrong, but there's vegetables with regards to chicken stock as opposed to just chicken broth, which is just chicken broth, okay? So this comes with more flavor. You got some garlic, got a little bit of flour, you got a small onion, some salt, olive oil, carrots, you got some thyme, and the star of the show, chicken, and then you got celery you're gonna need too. So we got all this stuff, and we're going to throw it all together and show you how to make basic chicken noodle soup. All right, guys, we're going to take the chicken breasts. They've been sitting out. They're now at room temperature, already seasoned. We're going to poach them. What is poaching? It's not really boiling, and it's not really steaming. It's kind of a mixture. You're going to use a little bit of liquid. Always use liquid with flavor. Never use water. So we're using the chicken broth, or the chicken stock. We're not using water. Always use flavor. Everything you boil and cook in and saute in and steam in should have some sort of flavor in it, okay? So let's take these chickens right now and get them where they belong. Lay them in here. Make sure they're not overlapping. Okay? I put an extra breast in. I was going to put 4 breasts in, but they're pretty big breasts. So I got 3 chicken breasts instead of 2. I prefer a lot of chicken meat in my chicken noodle soup. So take your 2 cups of broth or stock, pour it in here. It probably won't cover it all the way, but mostly. And then you want to bring this to a boil. Got my flame going? Yeah. Okay. Now if you use a lid, it will cook faster, boil faster. Everything happens faster with a lid because it creates more pressure with the lid. It's very small amount, but it saves you on time. You know what? I totally forgot. Okay, before we cover this, get your flame high enough so that it boils. I'm taking thyme and sticking it in there too. Cover it up. Now you got your flame on high, medium high, probably medium high is good. I don't really cook on high. And just keep it covered and bring it to a boil. Then we'll go to the next step. All right, let's take a look here. Yeah, looks like it's boiling. So you want to bring this down where these little bubbles are breaking. Hold on a second. You gotta play with the fire. Watch the water, and when little bubbles, when the water's still moving, very little, see little bubbles breaking, that's kind of a simmer. Put that down a little bit. The water's still simmering, so I'm gonna drop that down to a simmer. About 20 minutes, we're gonna let it simmer in there. 15, 20 minutes. So here we go. We're gonna open this up. We're gonna go in, grab the chicken breasts, put them on a plate over here that you can't see. Get rid of the thyme, take that out. Take your thyme sprigs out. Go back in, grab your chicken breast, set them off to cool. Oops. Come on. There we go. Set them over to cool. Now, turn this off. All right, guys, grab the pot. And you're going to be using it. You're going to strain it over here. There we go. Strain it over here because we're going to use the sauce or the soup mix or whatever it is, that lovely broth. We're going to use that in a minute. Put your flame back on. Put a little bit of oil in there. Drop some butter in there. Just grabbed a pinch of it. We're good. All right, grab your vegetables. There's the onions. There's the carrots. There's the celery. Go ahead and saute these around in the hot pan with the butter and the oil for about 5 minutes. Go ahead and throw your garlic in now. Stir that around, get it incorporated for a few minutes. Put in as much garlic as you want. You can never put in too much. And cook that in for about a minute till it becomes fragrant. All right, next thing you got to do is add in your little bit of flour. Sprinkle that around. Put that in there. Once you see a little bit of like browning on the flour, we're gonna go to the next step. All right, here comes the exciting part. We're gonna take that liquid we reserved from cooking the chicken and pour it back in. A little bit of time. I poured some in. Go ahead and mix it in. There we go. Okay. Work that flour into that little bit of liquid. Look how creamy that looks. That's amazing. All right, now grab the rest of your chicken broth that you didn't use and get that poured in. Pour that into the mix. We're gonna add our seasoning. Add a sprig of thyme and add a pinch of salt. There we go. Do it once again, bring it to a boil. Okay guys, once you see it start bubbling, go ahead and gently, well, I'm going to need Tammy's help on this one. I'm going to dump it in, it's going to splash everywhere. Just gently put the chicken in. Once you got your chicken in, go ahead and give it a stir. I got extra chicken in here, so it's kind of cut up, but it should shred a little bit more or fall apart a little bit more as it cooks. All right, now it was boiling a minute ago. Bring it back to a simmer and then simmer for 20 more minutes. Okay guys, now once the chicken is in the soup, it's cooking for 20 minutes. We're going to cook these noodles according to the bag. Go ahead and start some water, cook your noodles, and then we'll show you how to put it all together. We're going to start making our soup. Grab some noodles, put them in the bowl. I'm doing Tammy's and mine right now. Put the bowl there. Got noodles. Get the spoon out of here so we can finish our soup. And now I'm going to continue to grab vegetables and broth and chicken and all that goodness. Look at that. That looks great. Make sure we got plenty of broth. Wow. This smells so good. I really wish they had invented smell-o-vision, but we've been waiting for years for this. These are big bowls of soup. All right, let's get. Can you see how beautiful that is? That is loaded with chicken. That is loaded with vegetables. That smells amazing, and I'm gonna try this right now. All right, this is burning hot, so I'm gonna talk to you while it cools off. Okay, you want smaller pieces of chicken. You want it more shredded. I cubed mine a little bit more than shredded it. Do whatever you want. You like certain vegetables over other vegetables, put them in. You don't like celery, leave it out. That's what's great about chicken noodle soup. You make it, all you need is the noodles and the chicken and any vegetables that you love, all right? So check that out. That's how you do it right there. It's beautiful. Gonna fry my mouth. Here we go. Mmm. 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 Mm-hmm. Oh. I almost wish I had a cold right now because I could eat this whole bowl. All right, guys. This Back to Basics series keeps continuing. We're going to continue to teach people who don't know how to cook, who just started cooking, or just want a basic recipe. We'll show you how to do it, all right? So here you go. How to make chicken noodle soup. It came out amazing. I guarantee it's going to be a home run. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next episode. Bye-bye.